So wedding seasons are at and DK Textile has launched this kind of beautiful wedding wear varieties. Look at this beautiful premium Roman silk 3-piece variety at only 500 rupees. Yes, you have heard right, my friend. This is available at only 500 rupees. This kind of beautiful 3-piece. Look at this color and design. Multiple color and designs are available on this kind of variety, and DK Textile has not only this but many more variety. Our contact number is given on the screen. You can WhatsApp us, video call us to see more kind of variety. And if you have shop or boutique, then we are the best manufacturer for you. So connect with DK Textile and get the benefit of different kind of varieties in wholesale. Don't call for retail. We generally don't sell 10 or 20 pieces. We only deal in bulk. Minimum order is rupees 10,000. So want to purchase this kind of beautiful work kurtis and 3-piece, then connect with DK Textile. Our number is given on the screen. So purchase with us and get a very much huge discount at a very minimal rate. So connect with DK Textile and do your business in a more proportional way.